How to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading like this, and then search for TikTok like this. And then you have to go into the storage right here and click on this clear cache option. After you click on clear cache, now you have to do one simple thing, which is very easy. Just open the Play Store if you have Android, and if you have iPhone you can open the App Store and do the same thing. Go to the search bar and search for TikTok and then click on update, and that's it. The problem must be solved and the CapCut template option must be showing right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.